Alright, so the coilovers came yesterday. I haven't opened it yet, but I did cut the tape just so it'd be easier to open up while I'm filming. They're the Jom Bluelines. I ordered it through DOS Parts. I think they're in Cambridge, Ontario. So yeah, let's open it up. Sweet. So the coilover set was $5.50, and then I ordered the strut mount kit. So I think it's the top hats and the bearings. And I ordered a badgeless grill, so that'll be in there too. And there's a notch filler in it for the hood. And I also ordered the pinch bolts, or the stretch bolts, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. This is the company. I think those were 20 bucks a piece. So for an Ontario, it's, or I think all Canada wide, it's free shipping over 100 bucks. And honestly, I paid for, one time I paid for an order and it came the next day. I'm fairly close to Cambridge, so maybe that's why, but I don't know, they're very good about getting our orders. I couldn't find my razor blade to open up the box. So this is the grill in Taiwan. Looks nice. Right off the bat, I see a tiny bit of scuffs. And I think I'm gonna get a plastic paint and paint it black. But yeah, that looks pretty sweet. And it's got the notch filler. Oh yeah, that'll look pretty sweet. Right, now for the main course. Got a nice warranty. And that's in German. Oof. Span. A perch for the rear. This for the rear as well, so this must be the top. Sweating like crazy. This will be for the front. Very nice. Alright, so that's the front one. Now, I've never ordered a set of coilovers or had any on my vehicles or installed it, but so first impressions, they look pretty good. It's a drop rate, I think, from like 1 to 3 inches. There's the other one there. Fun. Yeah, I think it'll be very nice. Build quality, they feel pretty good. So for like price wise for what you get, and they're very good as a budget coilover. From what I've heard and what I've done, like the research that I've done, and from what people have told me, this is probably one of the best budget coilovers, at least for the MK4 Golf. Same for the MK4 Jetta too. They're on the same chassis, so this would be for the Golf and for the Jetta. FK, they also make coilovers, but I haven't heard very good things about them. But I've never owned a set of coilovers before, so that's kind of hard to judge on the build quality because I don't know what top tier is, I don't know what bottom tier is. But from what I can see, I don't know, they look pretty good. Like a lot better than the suspension that's on there now. I think there's just a spring in the back, and that's all rusted. And then I guess it's from Summit, so I think it's just like aftermarket stock suspension. I don't really know how old those are, but yeah, I don't know, I'm pretty excited about it. I'll probably do maybe an install video. If not, I'll definitely do a review on how the car feels, handles, and what it's like over bumps. There's no dampening adjustments on this. There's only the ride height. Right now, there's a lot of gap. So, give me a tape measure. So what is that? 6.5 inches from that lip. How much for? Probably 3.25 inches. So I think, yeah, it's basically a truck. So that'd be nice to get that lowered a bit. But yeah, if you want me to do an install video, I'll do one, so just leave it in the comments below if you want me to film it. And I probably won't be installing these till I get all this stuff for the turbo, like I need the actuator, the intercooler, a couple other things. I'm kind of just keeping busy, waiting for my parts to come. Pulled off the crash bar. I'm gonna paint that, order some new bolts. These are pretty nasty. Actually, that one's not too bad, but the top is pretty bad. Yeah. So I'm kind of doing a little bit of repairs in there, waiting for parts. So yeah, leave a like, subscribe if you want to, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.